Hello everyone and a very warm welcome dear viewers. In this short video series, I'd like to walk you through how to use Drawing Color Studio and its features. First, as a starting point, what is Drawing Color Studio? It's an application, a special component for Tekla Structures, built specifically for coloring your drawings. It works with every drawing type in Tekla GA drawings, assembly, single part, and cast unit. So why is this tool so important for detailers and for anyone who works in shop drawings and modeling, especially right after they finish the modeling and export their drawings? Honestly, in any large project, when you export your drawings, everything comes out in just one color, plain black and white. All of your profiles, all of your materials are one single color, your dimensions are one color, and your grid is one color too. And that honestly makes reviewing really difficult for the fabricators, for other engineers, for the supervisor who wants to review your drawings or your GA drawings whenever you send them out for review or to the offices. But if you separate things by color, your profiles by color, your materials, or your assemblies by color, it becomes far easier to review everything and your drawings come out looking much more professional as well. And on top of that, here's one of the most important points. For a detailer, this task repeats itself over and over throughout their whole working life, from one project to the next, from one time to the next. But this tool of ours can truly solve that problem for you. Those settings that you set up for coloring a profile or a material, you can reuse them in all of your other projects as well, instead of having to build the whole thing up again from zero every single time. Doing it all manually again, that gives you a huge amount of your time back. Or just think about it. Imagine having to sit and assign every one of those colors to your profiles completely by hand. Your plates get one color, your IPE profiles another, or say your materials, concrete gets its color, steel gets its color, and any other material gets its own. This is not a 1 or 2 day job, and it's not something you do just once or twice either. Honestly, it takes a lot of time and it's exhausting. But by using this tool, work of many hours and many days takes only a few minutes. And another thing, this is not just some simple tool made for one single type of task. On the contrary, it's a really comprehensive tool. It's not like the other macros out there. Let's say it doesn't just color your GA drawings with a few fixed colors. No, this tool is truly comprehensive with a whole collection of features, and I'll show those in the other videos. Among them, you can color by profile, you can color by section, by material, and by class. So now, let me show you a few examples of what that looks like in practice. These were colored by profile, by material, by class, and by assembly, especially useful for erection drawings, fully customizable. In large projects, coloring your drawings really shows just how important it is. Say your project is split into phases. When you export your drawings, if every phase has its own color, you know how much easier reviewing becomes and how much easier it all is to understand. Now, here's a color by profile example. We have this drawing ready, and as you can see, it's colored by profile. Every single profile gets its own color. Each one takes its own dedicated color. Look at the profiles here. Even the plates have their own colors. The anchor bolts too, grout, concrete, whatever material you have, it's colored by profile. And this other example here is done by material. This one is colored by material instead. And if you look right up at the top, you can see the gray color that's been used there. That gray is the concrete, the blue color is the grout, and all of those green colors, that's all steel, S235. And the Turkish sections there, those are S275. So that's coloring by profile and by material shown side by side. Now, the capabilities of this tool. First, line and face coloring. It can color the lines. Lines are exactly these you see. Whether you want the face with the line or just one of them, right now it's shown as solid. It looks really beautiful like this. Next, the colors. Full custom RGB. All of these colors that you're seeing right here, there's no automatic way to produce them inside Tekla itself. Some of them, the tool supports directly and other colors as well, because RGB means an infinite range of colors. Whatever color you want, you pick it and use it to color your profiles. And then there's face opacity control. With this, we can control how light or how deep the face looks. It's the same color, but the opacity can be high or low, really dark or faded right down. And it also supports live preview. So while you're coloring your drawing, before you ever accept anything, you can set up one sample drawing first, and then all of your other drawings using that very same setting can have it applied too. And before you apply, you can see the colors live and only then make your final decision, change the colors, decide, and save it. And you can take your drawings coloring and use it for all of your other drawings as well. Apply it to the drawings you select or push it out to every drawing you have so that you don't have to redo the whole thing every time you open up a drawing. If you only want those colors applied on certain drawings, then you simply select just those drawings, or you do it for all of your drawings in one single go. And the drawing types we showed, GA drawings, assembly, single part, it supports every one of those drawings. And now, if we take a look at the user interface of the program itself, right here you can see it supports profile, face, material, class, and assembly, and over here the drawing types. And here we have color by class. This one is automatic instead of you placing the colors yourself. For example, this section type gets green, this one red, that one blue. Automatically, whatever class sits inside your model, your drawing takes as those exact same colors. Drawing and model stay identical. That whole part is fully automatic. And on top of that, it also supports a one-sheet legend, a legend where it has laid out all of the profiles for you. This is honestly a really beautiful touch, and it makes the whole drawing much easier to understand as well. With coloring, it's better to keep your colors distinct from each other, because putting a profile mark on every single part makes your drawing really crowded and hard to read. But here, with color, the reviewer can tell everything apart easily. We can see this brown color is an HEA 100 and this yellow color is an HEA 160, for example. Even the plates, for every kind of plate, you can color your plates by thickness. The 12mm plates get one color, 15mm gets another. Anchor bolts, grout, concrete, whatever it is by profile, you can color it right here. And a legend gets added for you so anyone can see exactly what each color means. There's the color legend by material. In our example here, it's by material with each color listed. And there's the legend by profile as well, where everything is colored by profile. Then we have the PDF and HTML color report. At the very end, this tool can hand you a genuinely beautiful and truly professional report once you've finished your drawings and finished your coloring. So let's take a look at a sample of that report. Here, this one is a report by material. You can see this one is by material, and here is another example of it. It shows you, for instance, the concrete together with the weights and the grades listed right alongside. S235 and S275 right there with your drawings. You can attach this report and straight away you know exactly how much of it is steel, how much is grout, how much is concrete, and any other material you have just the same way. And if it's by profile, you see it at the end. You attach it with your drawings. And honestly, it looks so clean and professional. The color, the profile, how many pieces there are, and the weight right there with the total weight in hours around 1800. You can attach it and your project name is written here too. There's also Quick Assign, a faster way of working. Instead of selecting things one at a time, you use Quick Assign. We have the Quick Assign option covered in the other videos where you select a whole group of profiles and color them in one go instead of one by one. And then presets for remembering settings. For example, Once you've set things up the way you want, say the S235 material is always green and the S275 gets this other color, you can save that whole setup. Inside the program, there's Save Preset. You save it, and in your other projects, you use the exact same set again. So if your company wants to keep for all time one single style, for example, in your profiles, say HEA 100 is always brown. In every drawing you make as a fixed style that never changes, you can save that right inside the program itself, and that gives you back a huge amount of your time. Using the presets is also built right into the program's own settings, and it saves you an enormous amount of time. And there's one-click reset. If you end up not liking something, you can reset your drawings. There's reset drawing and reset colors. Reset the drawing and it goes back to black and white, ready to color fresh again. Or reset the colors if you've changed a color somewhere and want to bring it back. Now, moving on to the pricing and the cost. Well, before anything else, first of all, we have a 7-day free trial on offer so that the user can properly try the tool out completely. And on top of those 7 days, right from the start, we planned an extra 21-day license, an additional 21 days as well, so the user can work with the tool completely, test every single one of its features, and be fully confident in it. The pricing, monthly is $12 and yearly is $99, and for a permanent lifetime license, it's $279. Now, of course, these prices are per seat for one single user. But if you're at a firm or a company and you need several licenses, 10 licenses say across a number of computers, then the price gets worked out by agreement. Now, regarding the lifetime or the yearly plans, the price at the very start might look a little high and users might worry about one thing. Does this support the future versions and every update that comes along for this tool? Well, we keep updating the tool always based on real user feedback. We take all of that feedback in what would be good to add for you or whatever issue there might be with the program, and we go and fix it. And of course, up until a newer version of the program comes out, we keep on supporting every one of the versions along the way, and that's without any extra amount, without any additional cost at all. You receive the new versions as they come out. Right now, we're on the latest release, 1.30, and if the program one day reaches version 10, you'll be getting that too. Now, as for the system requirements, what does it actually need? Well, let's have a look. For Tekla Structures, the best options are 2025 and 2026, but everything from 2022 onward is supported too. For the platform, Windows 10 or 11, and you'll need to have the .NET framework in place. The rest we'll leave for later. And in the upcoming videos, we'll be using the tool itself, hands-on, in a fully practical way.